Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to NUBIA Pad 3D. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this pop-up about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's screens and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Now Receive right next to Send at the bottom of NUBIA. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to pick one of those connection ways. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Then select Receive. If you want to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide, close and add. Select while using the app in the pop-up and point your camera at the code. Then wait. As you can see after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!